Hey guys, welcome back to the Thistledowns Farm Blog. My name's Cody, and it's a beautiful day for some backyard gardening. So today I figured I'd make a really quick video, and we're going to talk a little bit about tomato cages. I don't love tomato cages. I feel like they really limit the potential of the tomato plant to grow tall. When you use a tomato cage, they're kind of limited to about the height of the cage. As you can see, I'm using them anyway though, and that's just because when we moved in here, there was a huge stack of them in the backyard, so I figured I would save some money. So today I'm going to show you a quick hack where you can get the most out of your tomato cages and grow some really nice big tomato plants with really not that much effort. All you're going to need are some extra tomato cages and some zip ties. So as you can see, it's not even July yet, and some of my tomato plants are already reaching the limits of their cages. So what we're gonna do is double the size of this cage by taking another cage, flipping it upside down, and zip tying it right on top of the other one, just like this. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna put a few zip ties on each cage, and that's gonna double the height that our tomatoes are gonna grow in these cages. I'm gonna go through and do it for the rest of these real quick, and I'll get right back to you. Alright, so I finished zip tying all the tomato cages on. These tomato plants are going to be above these in no time. We're going to have a giant wall of tomatoes. One thing about it, they will start to get pretty heavy as the tomatoes grow. So one thing I'm going to do is just zip tie these tomato cages together that are side by side all the way down the line to just give it some reinforcement. Alright. This is one solid unit now. The very last thing I'm going to do is just take some white duct tape and tape the very top points of these, just because when these tomatoes grow up and get big, it can start to get difficult to see these, and it's just a safety precaution so you don't cut yourself or, poke your eye out or anything while you're picking your tomatoes. Alright guys, and that is all there is to it. A quick and easy hack to get the most out of your tomato cages. The tomatoes are going to love it. I'm going to love it when my tomatoes are this tall. And I will check back in with you guys later. Take care.